When you choose a holiday niche, pretty much all you do is work on the general phrases for that holiday. In Halloween, you work on Stay Spooky shirt, or I found this humorous. In Thanksgiving, you work on Run Like a Turkey on Thanksgiving, or maybe Coolest Turkey at the Table. But only a small number of sellers actually use cross-niching. Yes, cross-niching a holiday with an evergreen niche, like Thanksgiving plus pets. Take this Meow I'm a Cat shirt as an example. He combined Thanksgiving holiday with the cats, or Thanksgiving plus food. Like this, I'm just here for the apple pie, or even Thanksgiving plus a profession, one thankful teacher. Combine the teaching job with Thanksgiving. So to find these cross niches yourself, I will take the food for example, and I will Google popular food related to Thanksgiving, and I will open this one. And let's see, we got turkey obviously, corn, pumpkin pie, etc. So next step is go to any print-on-demand platform and look for Thanksgiving pumpkin pie shirt to get the design ideas related, like thick thighs and pumpkin pies, or this one, do it for the pie. You can try again any food in this list, maybe Thanksgiving mashed potato shirt. And here is some selling designs, give thanks and pass the mashed potato. Or this, just give me the mashed potatoes and no one gets hurt. And by the way, you don't have to only stick with this Thanksgiving food list, you can try other food that are not even related, like let's say replace this with a pizza. And these are the results, a pizza instead shirt, a very funny design, also this, save a turkey, eat pizza, another funny shirt. Now you can apply the same exact strategy with the professions as well. Let's look in Google for top 100 professions. And let's pick anything from this list. I'll go with lawyer, and I will simply go search for, let's say this time, Christmas lawyer shirt, and you will see the ideas that are selling, like Santa's favorite lawyer, or this merry lawyer vibes, holy jolly lawyer. Do the same with the other professions as well. Let's try pilot this time and just replace it here, and again you will see all the sub niches that are selling, like flying through a Christmas sky, and I'm a pilot, of course, I'm on the nice list, or flying through the snow, and this Santa's co-pilot guiding the sleigh. And you will notice this type of design a lot in Christmas niches. It's called the ugly sweater. This style sells very well in all the niches that related to Christmas. Let me know in the comments if you want me to show you how you can easily design it as well. Don't forget about retired people. For example, here we got Santa's favorite nurse. If I just add Santa's favorite retired nurse, that's more sub-niched of course. There will be less competition. So I guess now you get the idea of cross-niching a holiday with evergreen niches. And by the way, food and animals and professions are not the limit. You could technically cross-niche with pretty much anything that interests a group of people. For example, the vegan community. A lot of people these days are vegan, which gives you opportunity to seek these forgotten audience. Like I just searched Christmas vegan shirt on Etsy, and there is also a lot of ideas that are selling, like Christmas lights and animal rights, or this the season to go vegan and be kind to all kinds. And to find more of these communities, like the vegan example, just look for trending interests in Google, and you can see this list pop up with different niches. For example, let's say video games niche, and I will look for Christmas video game shirt, and just like that you get the sub niches. My perfect Christmas, wake up, eating, game all day, sleep, or this is my Christmas pajama shirt. And if you personally have a hobby you often do, you already know exactly what designs will work and what's not gonna work, so just start with what interests you. Also, you can cross niche with the American flag or other country flags. Here in Etsy I searched Christmas American flag shirt, and there is a bunch of ideas that could work very well. I like this design specifically, very creative, to mask in the American flag in the Christmas trees. And obviously what's gonna work with the American flag will work with the other ones as well, UK, Canada, Mexico, you name it. You can also cross a holiday niche by something like a family member. There is a lot of niches out there targeting dads, uncles, grandmas, and so many keywords used like nana or granny. The choices are a lot, you have so many different designs you can do. And again, to find this type of niches, let's go to Amazon this time and look for Christmas Nana shirt. So we got Nana Claus with 14 reviews, and Nana Christmas Cookie Crew, who needs Santa when you have Nana, the Nana Elf. And what I like the most about the family members niches is they are very easy to scale. You don't have to design everything exclusive for each family member. Usually you just have to change one word and the ideas are limitless. By the way, I will be sending you every Monday 10 very good niches that gonna work on every print-on-demand platform. Just subscribe to my newsletter and you will get them for free every week.